Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the type of business service. We already discussed the what is business service and type of business service, that is business service, social service, personal service, and today we are going to discuss the type of business service. The activities performed under business service or support the business activities are called service facilities. These facilities can be classified under the broad industry that cater to specific needs of the customer, such as banking, insurance, communication service, transport, warehousing, advertising, packaging, etc. So today we are going to discuss the banking service. Banking as a business service aimed at accepting and safeguarding money owned by the individual and business intended for maximize return through the saving and investment. Business which provide banking service are called a banking company or banks. Banking involve storage of money through the bank, as a holding money at home is not safe. Banking enable access to money in bank through various banking account and instrument. It also allow their customer to maximize their return through the saving and investment. According to the Banking Regulation Act 1949, banking means the accepting for the purpose of lending or investment, deposit of money for the public, repayable on the demand and otherwise withdrawable by check, draft, order or otherwise. Under this act, a banking company is any company which transacts the business of banking. In simple terms, we can define that bank can be defined as an establishment for the custody, loan, exchange or issue of money for the extensions of credit for facilitating the transmission of fund. Now we discuss the features of bank. First, fixed structure. Bank are the fixed brick and structure that are mostly present around a residence, home, commercial, office and business. Next, enable saving. The money kept aside in the bank lead to saving that add to the existing wealth and avoid holdings and accumulations of money that is not be accounted for. Next, constant flow of money. Saving enable constant flow of money with some amount kept aside as a saving and the remaining money to spend on the basic necessity of an individuals. Bank uses the deposit of people to provide loan for investment to their customer and ensuring continuous flow of money in the system. Next, restore value. Bank can restore the value of money by ensuring that money flow in the system and maintaining liquidity and stability. Next, inclusive interest rate. Interest rate is a rate charged for or paid for the use of money. A bank provide different interest rate for saving and investment and adjusted them in the accordance with the change in the economy. And enable resources allocations. Bank enable resources allocation by offering various financial services that cater to different needs of their customer. These customers include individual, family, small, medium, large business, government, etc. For example, business which require loan for machinery, family require loan for car, land to build a home or factory. So, bank are a business providing banking service. They act as a custodian that is in charge of keeping the money for all the family safely, and bank continuously work towards the meeting the financial needs, that is saving and investment of the customer. And there are type of bank account, that is saving account, current account, recurring deposit account, that is called RD, and fixed deposit account. Thank you.